Creating discount codes in Shopify is a great way to attract customers and boost sales. To start, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Discounts in the left-hand menu. Then click on the Create Discount button at the top right. Shopify offers different types of discounts like percentage off, fixed amount off, free shipping, or buy X get Y deals. Choose the one that fits your promotion. Next, enter a unique discount code that customers will use at checkout. You can customize the details like setting a minimum purchase amount, limiting the number of times the code can be used, or specifying which products or collections the discount applies to. You can also set a start and expiry date to control how long the discount is available. Once you've set all the details, double check everything, then click Save Discount. Your discount code is now ready to be shared with your customers through marketing campaigns, social media, or email newsletters. Remember, regularly reviewing your discount codes helps you track performance and avoid over-discounting. With Shopify's easy tools, you can quickly create and manage discounts to grow your store effectively.